guys, namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, it's me Srishti. You are also very welcome and thanks so much for clicking this video. So on today's video I am doing a Aliexpress clothing haul. If you don't know about Aliexpress, don't worry, here I am to explain. But this video is not sponsored by Aliexpress. I'm just sharing what I know about them. I have this app in my phone. Aliexpress. Obviously Aliexpress. They have lots of stores in this app, so if you purchase anything from this app, which is really silly thing, and lots of stores from this app they do free shipping, which is plus point. You know what, they take so long time to deliver your stuff, maybe because of free shipping, I don't know why. And for me it took almost 2 months to get my stuff. It was crazy, it was so crazy. And all of the items, they came on different days, as you can see on my screen. That's why I couldn't stop myself to unbox them, so sorry for that. But you know what, I'm gonna try all of the items and I will give my honest review. The first item is a cardigan, and this comes with this little tube. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, guys, and the fabric is really nice, very soft and very warm, and I really love this cute flower embroidery on it. Okay, let's talk about this cute tube. This tube is made out of the same fabric, which is really good on your flower embroidery or something. Kosto matching, kosto ramro dekhirachha kya. And I really love the way how this part sits on my chest. Like, this is so good. So for this cardigan I would love to give 5 out of 5 star, because this is really nice and fabric is incredible. Okay, let's move on to another item. So another item is also a cardigan. So this cardigan is so pretty. I really love the color of this cardigan, and this looks like from Brandy Melbourne, but this is not. Fabric is really nice. Overall, I love everything about it, like small buttons and yeah, everything. So can we give 5 out of 5 star? Alright, let's move on to another item. Ta-da! A vintage bag. 90s inspired bag. The size is so perfect and I really love about the packaging as well. Like balloon, air balloon, plastic air balloon. It looks like this from inside. I was hoping there is a spare chain or a spare pocket from inside, but it doesn't have. That's fine. Size is so perfect and it is so perfect for daily use as well. You can put your phone, you can put your wallet, you can put your keys and lipstick, lip balm. Size is really perfect. 5 out of 5 star for this bag too. So the another item is a skirt. This skirt is quite big for me because this is size small and I'm size extra small. Let's talk about fabric. Fabric is really good and I love the color as well. Alright, let's move on to another item. Even skirt, I don't know why I bought a lot of skirts. Ta-da! Actually, I knew that before that this skirt is going to be big for me, because this is size small and I am size extra small. as I told you before, but I really love the color and fabric is incredible. Like, I would like to give 5 out of 5 stars to both of the skirts because of their fabric quality. Orko cha dress. Can you see this? Oh my gosh, के हो यो? के हो यो? Plastic जस्तै छ. Like when you touch, it feels like plastic bag. Length. But camera मा चाहिँ राम्रो देखेछ है. हल्का यस्तो टाइट गऱ्यो भने राम्रो देख्छ कि क्या हो. Two out of 5 stars. Just because of fabric. Fabric is not good. Maybe because it was so cheap. Only $7. Alright, let's move on to another item. This is a top, cardigan or blouse. This is so pretty as well. The fabric is really good. As I said before, this blouse is so good and really pretty, and the quality is also really good, and I really love the detailing on it, on this neck and all over here and baulama pani. So I would like to give 5 out of 5 stars. So the another item is a pant. मन परेन मलाई. साच्चै मनै परेन क्या. थोरै सिटेर आउने. Literally, के हो यो? Worst pant ever. You wanna have a look? Zero star for this pant. Like pant भनेर किनेको हैन, leggings जस्तो रहेछ क्या. Zero. Let's move on to another item. This is a loungewear set. This is a top and a surwal. Let me try. Quality is incredible. It is really good and it is a bit oversized for me. I love everything about this set. Material is really thick and I'm feeling really warm and cozy. Man, अनि एकदमै फोटो जस्तो पनि छैन. So 5 out of 5 stars. Ding. Alright, let's move on to another item. So this is a front tie cardigan or front tie top or tie front top, key front tie top, tie front top,
whatever.
This is so nice. I really love the color. You can't say no to baby blue color. I'm just wearing this white inner from inside because I'm not really used to it. Like this part is like open. This the kalka lugaru laune bani chaina ni ta. So I feel a little bit awkward, but it's up to you. Nalagaउँदा पनि हुन्छ. And you just go and tie. Fabric is really good and the color is very bright. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna give 5 out of 5 stars to this cute little top. Arko pani top ho, up shoulder crop top. So here I am with my up shoulder crop top. The fabric is not the best but not the worst as well, but this was so cheap, like only $4 or $5, so you can't expect higher quality on that price nita. So it is just okay for me. I would like to give 3 out of 5 stars. Sorry for that, but you know what, I like the detailing on the shoulder part. On a they have the little elastic here. I That's why it sits so nicely. Can I change? Can I give 4 out of 5 stars? So the another item is white top. This is so basic. You really need white top in your wardrobe cause कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ मसँग केही पनि छैन लाउनलाई जस्तो हुन्छ नि कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ एकदम हतार हुन्छ नि त at that time you just grab white top with like shorts or pants, jeans, sweatpants, skirt, just you will look fabulous. White top ko ta धेरै छ के advantageहरु थाहै छ होला म try गर्छु. I really love this white top, especially the detailing around my neck and this part and over here because of this हुन्छ नि यो यस्तो curvy यस्तो wave ले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो top अझै राम्रो देखेको जस्तो लाग्यो कि but this is little bit see through which is not good. But you know what you can do is just wear nude color from inside. That will be absolutely fine. 4 out of 5 star because this is a little bit see-through. Alright, I'm moving into my second last item. Ta-da! A oversized jacket, check, shirt. Please read on the photo because it has got too long name. See, again, lavender color. Quality of this jacket is so good. Material is so thick and warm, and I really love the color as well, like the combination of purple and nude color. It is really good, and this is oversized. This is perfect for winter. Ta-da! Tago ani kurus. मैले चाहिँ युट्युबमा चाहिँ यस्तो टप बुनेको देखेको थिएँ, so I was very interested on that. अनि मैले यो मगाएँ. But I don't know when I'm gonna start with this. And yeah, they sent me a cute little gift. I know, यसमा चाहिँ के लेख्छ भने dear value customer, thanks for choosing us. It's our pleasure to blah 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 लेखेको छ. Thank you so much for this one. भन्न चाहन्छु के छ भने यो नाप्ने कुरा and cute little buttons and the letter, cute love letter. I'm just staying with this cause it is so warm. That's all for today. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you want to see my photographs with these outfits, then please do follow on my Instagram. Here is the details. And if you want to purchase any of these items, I will give the link on my description box. You can purchase them. Which outfit did you like the most? You can comment down below as well. And you know what you can do is what kind of videos you want me to do next time. You can also comment down. And do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe. And stay safe, stay healthy. See you on my next video. Bye. Namaste.